Let the games begin! Ito partner, Porsigido versus Lesus.
Score agad. By the way, guys, this is our third game or fourth game? Fourth game.
Yeah, for the Content Creators Cup. Yes.
And we just also like to give a big shout out. Kakapanalo lang po ng ating pambato na Pinoy Boxing prospect superstar Carl James Wonderboy Martin. 5th round knockout, brother.
Wow! Breaking news yan ha. Lumaban sa Mexico yung pambato ng Pilipinas, Carl James Martin, panalo via 5th round knockout.
All right.
Team Lesus. Foul called on Team Lesus. Shooting foul, Porsigido. It's good. Lesus. Yes, sir. Team Porsigido shoots. No good. Rebounded by Lesus. Lesus setting up. 6 seconds to shoot. Lesus. No good. Line ball. Porsigido basketball. Porsigido. Lesus sending it up.
3 seconds na lang. They have to take the shot now.
Shot clock violation on Team Lesus.
Good
Porsigido
defense.
basketball.
Good defense, sir. Good defense.
Low post.
Solo.
Porsigido.
Porsigido
good.
shot pero wala.
Porsigido. Lesus crosses over. Lesus. Score is 5-3 in favor of Lesus. Porsigido.
Pinawi ang kagad.
Lesus. Lesus basketball. Last touch by Porsigido.
Nice.
And one foul called on Porsigido. Lesus will have an extra free throw. Substitution, Team Porsigido. One more free throw to be given to Lexus. Lesus. Oh! Hard foul by Porsigido. Medyo mabigat na foul yun. Committed by Porsigido. Medyo nasaktan itong player ng Lesus. Free throw by Lesus.
That's short. Uy, may bumaksak sa free throw.
Orange basketball. Foul called on Lesus.
6 minutes and 55. Eto, mukhang aatake na naman to.
Tumulong, makita mo. Sana dumami
Grabeng
tumulong.
pa. Balyahan
Kay
sa
Boss
loob.
Rendon. Ang daming naniniwala kay boss.
Pero alam natin atake to eh. He likes to go for
Medyo nagkakapisikalan na ang game natin Charles.
And of course, we're all inviting you to watch us live here in our venue, Amoranto Arena. Dito lang yan sa Quezon City along Quezon Avenue lamang. Napakaganda ng ating venue ngayon. Last season 3 nasa Bacoor or nasa Strike Gym tayo. Ngayon naman nasa Amoranto, palaki ng palaki yung ating mga venue dito. Who knows? 'Di ba? Baka mamaya hindi mo malaman nasa MOA Arena na tayo o kaya nasa Araneta Coliseum.
Hindi malabong mangyari yan. Dahil sa vision ni Boss Rendon yan.
Tsaka yung dami ng tumutulong na
Yes.
tao kay Boss
Oo.
Rendon.
Ang daming naniniwala, ang daming nai-inspire ni Boss Rendon.
And a timeout has been called by Team Porsigido. 6-6 is the score, 6:07 remaining here in this game. .05 remaining here in this game. 7-6 is the score lamang. Ang Team Lesus ng isa. Kuya mo, boss. Out to Boss G. Rebound, Shine John Zoe. He tries a 2 and he knocks down a 2.
Natapilok pa, no? Na-shoot pa rin niya.
Boss G. Muntik pang maagawan. Bodies on the floor here. Traveling violation ay tatawag kay Shine John Zoe.
Nakita mo yung dalawang team, yung hustle. Diba? Gustong-gustong manalo.
Ang bawat laro dito sa Motivated 3x3 sobrang importante dahil placing yan eh.
Yes.
You cannot afford to lose a game here in the Motivated 3x3 kasi ang hirap nung bumawi.
Tsaka dito sa Content Creator Cup, kasi dalawang talo lang ata, laglag ka na, di ba?
Tama.
Charging kay Kelvin.
Merong dugo daw.
Tumama ata sa sigo ni...
So, kailangan palitan
Kuya
muna
mo,
yan. Oo. So, syempre pagka ganyan, safety is our number 1 priority.
Nagsorry naman kagad si...
Sigurado
Kuya
naman
Mokoy.
tayong hindi sadya
Oo.
yung mga ganyan.
Talaga
He's being attended by our medical personnel ng Motivated 3x3. Ready tayo sa mga ganyang pangyayari. Although hindi natin gusto, pero kung in case man na mangyari, handa tayo. Boss G, wala. Chef Carlo, wala pa din.
Parang ito, Nangangamoy overtime na naman.
Nako. The forbidden word dito sa ating mga coverage.
Nice give and go play ni Chef Carlo to Kuya mo boss.
Alam mo, medyo talagang mainit ang pantayan sa loob ng dalawang koponan na ito, partner. Kanina pa ito eh.
Tignan natin ulit yung Protein God Instant Replay. Grabe pisikalan dito sa laro na to, James.
Na to, pisikalan sila. Talagang sabay ng sabay, sabay kung sabay. Kahit sa ere, sinasabayan.
Shine John Zoe, nothing on the putback. Shine John Zoe, the attack,
Nice
the
pass.
drop. But there's a foul just before the shot clock ended. So
Swerte pa.
that has to be frustrating para sa Porsigido, no? Dahil or sa Lexus, no? Imagine you are playing spectacular defense for 11 seconds. Tapos by the last second, fa-foul ka. Ikaw nag-head coach ka na, 'di ba? James. So, kung yung team mo maglalaro for example sa 5-on-5 ng 24 seconds or 23 seconds, ang ganda na pinapakita na ng depensa, tapos yung last second
Biglang
magpa-foul.
pa-foul. Lalo
Oh.
naghahabol ka. So talagang bad foul yun.
Kuya mo boss passing it to the wrong guy. Shine John Zoe kicks it out. Boss G all day to shoot. Boss G, that is a miss. Basket! And beyond doon sa putback ni Kuya mo boss. Dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Lesus.
Napakalakas sa ilalim nito ni Kuya mo boss. Yun mo yan, oh. Nasa likod na siya. Na-rebound pa rin niya. Tapos Boy Dukot sa reverse. And one play para kay Kuya mo boss.
Kuya mo boss converts on the 2-point play.
So sub muna si Sir Len, pasok ulit si Kelvin. Na-attend na siya ng medical staff natin. So okay na siya.
Time remaining is 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Master Canor. Ooh, tough shot.
Grabe.
Galing sa Porsigido. Kuya mo boss.
Grabe yung double pump ni Kelvin, no?
Very shifty itong player ng Lesus.
Shine John Zoe. Now to Master Canor. Dribbling exhibition. Naagawan nga lang yan. Boss G wala pa din.
Alright, we would like to announce to each and everyone, bawal na bawal po ang mag-live stream. Kung pwede po kayong kumuha ng video and upload it after, but bawal na bawal po ang mag-live. Pag nahuli po kayo ng ating mga staff, maaari po kayong makulong ng habang buhay. Hindi, syempre mawawarningan lang po kayo. Pero huwag po tayo mag-live stream. Ibigay po natin to sa Motivated 3XP. Salamat po.
2:19 remaining here in the game. 12-10 is the score.
The score 12-10 in favor of Lesus.
Shine John Zoe, that patented
Behind the
move.
back.
Oh. Master Canor, the step through, nakawalan. Master Canor.
Nice move by Master Canor.
Parang naaamoy ko na to, James.
Overtime. Parang overtime nga eh. Parang match na match kasi itong laban nila. ano?
No good. Rebounded by Lesus. Fake pass. Intercepted. Lesus basketball.
Boss G. The shot won't go. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Kita mo lagi yung dive ni Kuya mo, boss.
Pakabatay din sa bola, no? Si Kuya mo, boss. Talagang kahit lamang sila, siya pa rin talaga kumukuha ng bola.
The secret fresh timeout muna tayo. Then 12-11 is the score. 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining here in the game. A minute and 26 seconds remaining here in the game. 12-11 is the score. Shine John Zoe. Gustong itabla ang laro. Here's Master Canor. 4 seconds to shoot. Master Canor. Ganda ng depensa ni Kuya mo, boss. 6 seconds to work with. Kuya mo, boss, nowhere to go. Boss G, the attack. Chef Carlo, there's a foul. Ay na naman yung sinasabi natin just before the shot clock expired.
Oo. Sa ilalim lang. Wala pang penalty.
Boss G. They go outside for the lead. Won't go for the tie. It is good. Galing kay Master Canor.
Master Canor. Right place at the right time doon para itabla itong score. 12-all for Sigido and Lexus.
Ganda ng atake doon ni Kuya mo, boss. Nakuha ni Chef Carlo. A warning for delay of game. Laban dito kay Chef Carlo. 25 seconds remaining. Naagawan siya dito ni Kuya mo, boss. Here he goes. Drops it down low. Boss G for the lead with 10 seconds remaining. Master Canor nakawala. Master Canor sumablay. Ayun na. Hindi natupad ang pangarap ng aking partner James Martinez na overtime.
Kaya nga napakaganda ng game nila. So, nagwagi ang Team Lexus. Boss
Game
G, Chef
highlights.
Carlo, Kuya mo, boss, tsaka si Rong Bam. Pero si si Kuya mo, boss, ang bumitbit at bumuhat dito para sa Team Lexus.
Game highlights brought to you by Uratex. Naging sobrang dikit yung laban, James.
Match na match
Oo. Yun nga lang, nakawala talaga etong si Kuya mo, boss, at naipasa kay Boss G nung huli.
Pang game winner, kumbaga, ni Boss G. Pero ang nagpanalo pa rin itong si Kuya mo, boss. Yung pasa niya kay
Kuya mo,
Boss
boss, for sure nakaka-receive ka ng mga advices from other players before. So ano yung mga tips na may bibigay mo sa mga young generation natin na no experience sa paglalaro ng basketball?
Siguro ang pinaka gawin yung experience sa motivation, yung maging mabait kayo sa kalaro nyo, maging friendship para mas marami tayong makilala mga player na mga palakaibigan tayo, mga ganun. Maging close natin yung mga nakakalaro natin.
So ganun lang ang ginawa mo before, yung ganun lang ang motivation mo.
Yes po.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Ang galing mo kanina. You did a great job. Thank you. And go back na tayo kay Charles and James.
Content creators.